That, I mean, that is fantastic. So cheesy. So if you don't like pork sausages, you should try the Jolly Hen chicken sausages. They've got rosemary and thyme in them, and they're a bit juicier than others because they've got thigh and drummer. So we're going to get those on, and I'm going to show you my twist on some chicken sausage flatbreads. So I'll get these on now. This dough I did this morning, like loads of people in lockdown, I've been trying to perfect sourdough and doughs with mixed success, to be honest. Hopefully this goes well. I'm just going to roll these out, stretch them out. Nice stretchy dough. As I say, this dough I made this morning, proved in a warm space. This was just yeast, flour, a bit of salt, sugar, and a bit of water and a bit of love. So get these nice and flat and just get them on nice hot barbecue. So whilst they're just toasting off nicely, I'm just going to make a bit of a dressing. So a bit of yoghurt, a bit of harissa. Look at the colour of that. So I'm going to start building our flatbreads now. So these are toasted really nicely on the barbecue. Going to get some of our dressing. Lovely harissa and yoghurt dressing on there. Don't be shy with that, because this is great. Don't be shy with it. On there, spread that over nicely. Bit of onion that we charred off on the barbecue. Let's get a tomato on there. Okay. Bit of token greens here. But it looks nice, doesn't it? And then let's get some of these on. I think we're going to go for 3, just like that. Here we go. This is the moment of truth. Jolly Hen chicken sausage flatbread with harissa dressing. That, I mean, that is fantastic. So cheesy.